Welcome to this PIERRE Academy tutorial. In this video we will show you how to wire a light sensor, especially over longer distances. We start by testing a long wire setup. Here the sensor is connected with a 28-meter wire. Normally up to 10 meters is stable, but 28 meters can be tricky. Let's see how it performs. When we cover the sensor, the value doesn't change because the signal is lost over the long distance. If there's no alternative, we can fix it by remounting the wiring. First, we turn off the power. Currently, one twisted pair carries 5V and GND, while the other carries serial clock and serial data. We need to rewire this so that one twisted pair carries serial clock and 5V, and the other carries GND and serial data. This way, the digital signal can travel much longer distances without loss. We will now swap the connections. It is very important that after swapping the wires on the PIERRE side, we also swap them on the sensor side, otherwise it will not work. After completing the rewiring, make sure to properly insulate the wires. Once that is done, we can switch the power back on. Now we go back to the user application, wait for the PIERRE to come online and test. Covering the sensors shows it works immediately. With this simple wiring fix, the light sensor can operate stably even over 28 meters of UTP cable. Always use UTP cable, not thick 0.75 millimeter wires, and ensure the twisted pairs are correct. As you can see, it works beautifully and reliably. See you in the next video.